So now we're going to, while we've got it like this, cut the T-groove. So I have the T-groove bit. Okay, so let's swap this bit over. So we press the lock. And we fit the new bit. Okay, now we need to adjust the height. So first I'm going to eyeball it, and then I'm going to check it against that. I need to go down a bit more. Now up a little bit. That looks about right, but before we commit, we will test. So let's test on this. Okay, dust mask on again. So that's the T-molding cut on one side. We'll just take this off and do the other side. That is both sides cut to be the same. Both sides cut with the T-molding for the 18mm T-mold. That's it for this video. I've now got to tidy up.